Transferring Amex points to Turkish Airlines is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, visit the American Express website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Membership Rewards section of your account. This is where you can manage your membership rewards points. Now, if you have not already done so, you will need to link your Turkish Airlines Miles & Smiles account to your American Express account. Look for an option to add or link frequent flyer programs within the Membership Rewards section. Find the option to transfer points to airline partners. In the Membership Rewards section, there should be a list of airline partners eligible for point transfers. Then, select Turkish Airlines Miles & Smiles from the list. Next, follow the prompts to enter the number of Membership Rewards points you wish to transfer to Turkish Airlines Miles & Smiles. American Express typically has a minimum transfer requirement, and transfers are usually made in increments of 1,000 points. Review the transfer details, including the number of points to be transferred and any associated fees or restrictions. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Transfers of membership rewards points to airline partners like Turkish Airlines Miles & Smiles may take some time to process. The time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary, but it's usually within a few days. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive confirmation from American Express and Turkish Airlines Miles & Smiles. The points have been transferred to your frequent flyer account. With the points now in your Turkish Airlines Miles & Smiles account, you can use them to book award flights, upgrades, or other redemption options offered by Turkish Airlines or its partners.